So we run this line. Yeah, there you have it. So what's up sa inyo? So today i-discuss ko about yung variable sa Python language. So Python variable is technically a variable can hold any types of data. So it may be a string, maybe a function, it may be a numbers. In our next episode, I will discuss the different kinds of data that a variable can hold. So marami tayong data. So it may be a strings. So a string may be composed of characters including numbers, function that are built in like print statement, the input for the user to input a data and then store it in our Python program. There are also numbers, the integer, the float variable. So there are exceptions in defining variable. There are rules. So una is bawal talagang gumamit ng spaces, will make our program complicated. So as soon as possible dito sa programming, dapat simple yet readable yung ating program. Next, you cannot use number as a standalone name for your variable, but you can use numbers in combination with letters and symbols. So let's start. When defining variable, there are three structures. So first, your name, your equal sign, and then what data you want to hold. So first, let's go with our name. So for example, my variable name would be my name. That's the first structure, which is the name of our variable. Next, we must put an equal sign to know what data must our variable to hold. For example, my name is, we must close it in parentheses, so bond. So we run this line. Yeah, there you have it. Na-store na yung string na bond. So let's try again a number. Okay, my frame number. So first, that's the first structure. We decide what name we must name it for a variable. Then we put an equal sign, then 7. We run the code, we run the line. Yeah, there you have it. My frame number is now 7. Next, you can also have functions. So for example, output and output. So for example, our output is print. Then there you have it. Run the code. Yeah, there you have it. Instead of using print, you can use output to the rest of your program.